Wardrobe spy guide. We value your privacy. Accept cookies is fine. A lifesaver for those of us that don't have acres or space in a walk-in closet. Different types, choosing a wardrobe, how to measure different materials, things to think about. Bedroom furniture. What are the different type of wardrobes? One door, two door, three door, and this is actually the door types. Sliding wardrobes, mirrored wardrobes, mounted wall or mounted floor wardrobes, floor standing. How to choose a wardrobe. When choosing the right wardrobe, it's important to think about how it will fit in style-wise with the rest of the room, and of course whether it will fit. It's useful to know how many people will be using the wardrobe. And what each individual needs. Once you have decided on a wardrobe that suits your space, it's important to coordinate it with other bedroom furniture. Lots of your wall ranges have matching size, table, space, and chairs of drawers to make up a bedroom. How to measure a wardrobe. Clearance, dimensions, materials. When choosing the right wardrobe, it's important to think about how to feel style-wise and the rest of the room, and of course whether it will fit. Budget. Actual things to think about. How much space do I need for my clothes? Do I need hanged or sliding doors? Would I prefer a modern or classic look? Think about your collection of clothes. Do you need more space for hangers or aftercare, bedroom furniture, beside tables and drawers, dressing table space? So this is all these are very important to consider before you make your decision to buy the wardrobe. Different types. 1 door, 2 door, 3 door. Choosing a wardrobe. How to measure different materials, things to think about bedroom furniture. Slide mirrored. This is very important.